Hello! Are you looking for something fun and easy to do for your family this Easter season? How about these ceramic Easter crafts? Everyone has a ceramic shop in their town, I'm sure. These unfinished pieces are fired and ready to paint. They're called bisque. They're just all white, and you get to pick out whatever colors you like to put on them. You use acrylic paint, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Look at these little bunnies. They took hardly any time at all to finish. And don't they look nice? And you did it yourself, and it's going to be less expensive. So let's get started. With my rabbits and the chicks, what I normally do is paint them all black. And later on you'll see that that is to bring out the detail in them, the fur and the feathers. And then we can start on our next layer, which is white for the bunnies and yellow for the chicks. And I'm going to dry brush these, and dry brushing is basically you dip your paint or your brush into the paint and you get most of the paint out, and then you go over the highlighted areas so you can see in the end it makes the bunnies look like more like they have fur and the chicks look more like they have feathers, and it brings out all the other little detail, which is what we're going on to paint now. The little pink for the bunny noses and feet and ears, and the chicks get their feathers, yellow feathers, and the orange beaks, and they have some flowers and eggs you get to paint on there too. But it depends on what you pick out for Easter in bisque. And here they are, all finished. Our little bunnies all scattered around, ready for the Easter season. Here are the chicks. I put a little highlighted white on their ribbons and their feathers just to bring them out a little more. And the eggs are very easy and take little time at all. Now thank you for watching, and as always, please subscribe for more. That's very important on YouTube now. I really do need you. Thank you.